Hey, what's up, DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're working on our Shark Ion vacuum cleaner today. We are going to remove the foam filter that basically loops and secures to the vent or screen filter inside the very top portion of the vacuum. We're going to clean it. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, at the workstation and in front of us is our Shark Ion vacuum. We are going to position the camera and open up the filter housing container area. Remove the filter, clean it. Get this thing working properly again. Taking a step back, I remove the adapter, and coming to the very top of the vacuum, you've got this little access or spring-loaded lever, and compressing it, as well as simultaneously pulling up and removing the cap as shown here. Set that aside. From here, you've got the filter. We'll grab this portion right here. It just pops right out, and it is dusty. We're going to go outside, shake it, and remove as much dust as we can outside before we run it under the water and clean it. Once it's wet and clean, we'll allow it to dry for 24 hours. There is a screen inside here we also want clean. We are outside now, grabbing the filter as you see, and pulling this off. Check that out, inside there. Look at that dirt, my goodness. As well as this, look at that. And dust is flying everywhere. After you get as much dust off, you can take it inside and basically run it underwater. We're back with you. It's been 24 hours and everything has dried. All I'm going to do next is carefully shift this back on and push it flush on either side, as you see right there. Next, I grab the vacuum and compressing that little door and removing the cover or cap, setting that aside. And as far as the filter, the little downward slant right there, as well as these tabs, will mate with this portion in here. These little tabs will be up and still accessible for you. Properly align the filter, and if all looks good, carefully return the cover back to the on and closed and locked position. Double check everything. If all looks good, turn the vacuum on and make sure everything works properly. And I'm going to turn it this way. Select ion boost. And DIYers, all is back to normal. In addition, down below in the comments and description will be helpful links working on this exact Shark Ion vacuum, including replacing the belts in the vacuum head that may be helpful to you in the future. Thanks again.